In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Partybox to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up the JBL Partybox to PlayStation 5 and hear all of the audio coming through any games and anything that you do on a PlayStation 5. Now, the problem with this is that you will not be able to connect it over Bluetooth. So even though Bluetooth would be extremely convenient, the PlayStation 5 only supports licensed and verified Bluetooth speakers and devices. Because of this, you will not be able to connect the JBL Party Box to your PlayStation 5 or Bluetooth. In this video, I'm going to go over some alternatives for you to consider. So the best option by far is if you have an HDMI ARC connection on your TV and you use that for surround sound. All that you have to do is plug it into the HDMI ARC port on your TV, going into the sound bar. Now you will need to go to the sound settings and choose HDMI ARC, and it is going to be under the amplifier settings. As soon as you do this, you will be able to use your JBL Party Box to hear all of the audio coming through the PlayStation 5. Like I said, it is unfortunate that it doesn't feature Bluetooth because it would make the process extremely simple, but as it stands today, you do need some sort of workaround. Besides this, the only other option that you have if you really want to use Bluetooth is to purchase one of these USB adapters. Of course, they are going to introduce latency and they might not be fully reliable, but they are simple to use. All that you have to do is plug them into any of the available USB ports on your PlayStation 5 and you will be able to connect the JBL Party Box directly to them over Bluetooth, so a wireless connection, which makes it extremely simple. So all that you have to do is either use the HDMI ARC cable that I mentioned, which is higher quality and also very simple to set up, or you will need to purchase one of these adapters for Bluetooth, and then you will be able to use it over Bluetooth on your PlayStation 5. Choose whichever option you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Party Box to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.